Hello everyone, it's Claris and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review of a new brand that reached out to me recently. I am super excited to try this out. I've not tried any products from them before, so let's get right into it. So Drizzle Beauty is a fairly new brand that began in just last year. They advertise on having their products salon quality and up to 3 weeks of wear for their gel polish, as well as their products being 100% vegan, non-toxic, and having a low odor formula. They were kind enough to send me over their Classic Collection Starter Kit for gel nails. This kit goes for $59, so let's see what's inside. They also sent me their collection of 6 different chrome powders. This one I will be reviewing a little bit later. Alright, so I just opened up the kit. Here we do have a little paper here. It shows the different colors that are in this collection. We also have here this little card. This is the gel polish instruction manual. Next we have here a file and buffer, and then here is the gel lamp that this kit includes. So let's look at this for a second. This lamp has a very simple and sleek look. There is no base on it, and it looks, by seeing the sensors on here, that it is motion activated, which is super nice. On the top here we have an on and off button, and also it says 24 watts or 48 watts, so this does up to 48 watts. We have a 30 seconds, a 60 seconds, and a 90 seconds. And this looks like the cord it comes with. Alright, so here is the cord to plug it in. So I'm going to set this all aside just for a second. And then this kit also includes a cuticle pusher and a scraper. Alright, so what else do we have here? We have this little box here. These are the removal pads. This kit does include 50, which I thought was pretty cool. Then here we have the gel polishes. So this kit does have 6 different colors, as well as a base coat, a velvet matte top coat, and a glossy top coat. These bottles all look very sleek and classy in the matte black color, and these have 0.30 fluid ounces of gel polish. So now I'm going to hop right into swatching out these colors. So the first one we have here is called Bliss, and it's described as a delicate pale pink with a blissed out vibe. I found this color very delicate and attractive. I really liked it. And then finishing off with top coat. Alright, and applying the top coat, I gave it a really nice glossy finish, and this is also a no wipe top coat, so you don't have to deal with any tacky layer. I should mention the top and base coat bottles are 0.51 fluid ounces, so they are a bit bigger than the polished bottles. Now, it was off camera, but I'm just going to show you guys what the lamp looks like when it's on. So when I plug it in, it automatically shows 0, 0, and if I put my hand under it, it just starts counting up. And I'm not sure how high it goes up for, probably to 90 seconds. And I didn't see that the package included a manual about the lamp, so this starts a 30-second timer. That's what I was using to cure the swatch that I did just now. The light is pretty bright, as you can see. It's a lot brighter than the other one I have. There isn't really anything covering it, so I just recommend you don't really be looking at it. And it does also feel really warm to my hand. And there is a 30-second timer, 90-second timer, and then this turns it off. Whatever mode it was doing, it just turns it off. The buttons feel very sturdy and they're kind of loud, so it's definitely easy to tell once you've hit a button, so you won't accidentally be hitting one. My other lamp has kind of more of like a touchscreen kind of a way, so it would be easy to accidentally start a wrong mode that you wanted. So alright, so now let's move on to the other colors. This next one is called Tickled, and it is described as a sweet medium pink with a playful punch. I do find that these gels did feel a bit on the thicker side, but I won't really know until I get the feel of it when I do a manicure on my actual nails with them. They're very smooth and easy to apply, so although they are kind of thick, I just let them sit for a second and they do really level out. I do really like this color as well. I think it'd be great for summertime or anytime you really just want to brighten up your nails. Next, number 3, we have Breathless. This is described as a medium burgundy, so rich it'll take your breath away, and I saw it on the website and thought it was so pretty. I immediately wanted to try it out. But yes, I absolutely love this color, and I knew I would. It's just so rich and pretty, and I could definitely see myself maybe wearing this at work, and it's just so relaxed. Next, we have Cozy, a deep tan with a warm, comforting touch. I was surprised to find this color very intense in the first coat, considering it is a lighter color. Now for the brush sizes, I felt like the brushes from the polishes were a little bit bigger than the ones from the top coat, but I did find them very comfortable and easy to work with. Alright, so there is Cozy, another very relaxed and subtle color. Alright, so now we have Float, and this one is described as a balanced taupe that will bring you into the zone. And this looks like a very pleasant dark gray color. And the color is perfectly opaque in 2 coats. So there is Flow. I feel like this is a really sweet and relaxed color. And the last color in this collection is called Calm. This is a subtle gray with a peaceful presence. I do like gray polishes and I instantly love this one. It went on very smooth and opaque in just 1 coat. Alright guys, so there are the colors all swatched out. These are all really pretty and different, but I'm going to have to pick one of them to do a mani on my actual nails with them. I'm going to go with the Breathless color here. However, I will hope to get to doing swatches of all these on my actual nails and post them on my Instagram. So first I'm going to start off by removing these dip powder nails I have on top of my polygel overlay. So I will be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and took those off, and I also went and filled these in. So now what I'm actually going to do is put a glossy top coat on these, and then I'll be able to put a peel off base coat over it, and then I can do gel on here and easily remove it so I can still swatch it but not have to go through the whole process of removing them. Sometime I do plan to do a wear test for these polishes, just because I'm really curious to see how they hold up. But for now, I'm going to be putting the top coat on, and then after that, here is me applying the UNT peel off base coat I'm using, and then we're ready to jump into the color. So if you are doing this manicure on your actual natural nails and not over an enhancement like polygel, you would follow the directions in this manual. So it says use the nail files to create your favorite nail shape. So the grit on these aren't labeled, but they feel really, really rough. I'm thinking 100 and maybe 120. This buffer, this side is very, very rough and gritty, but this side is a lot smoother. I also opened the cuticle pusher that it came with, and I don't have a tool that has an end like this already, so this was super helpful. I found it was really easy when I was filling in these nails. I found it super helpful for just gently going around and removing dead skin. And you just want to make sure that your cuticles are pushed back so that the gel polish will not adhere to that. However, most gel polish brands I know want you to use a file like a 220 or something softer to remove the natural shine and oils from your nail plate before applying the gel polish. I don't see that you are instructed to do this for this brand, but there is one other brand I know, which is D&D Shellac, which does not require this. It's a very gentle gel polish and also soaks off very quickly. So I thought that was interesting. Maybe prepping the nail in that way would help anyways, but I just thought I'd mention that it does not tell you to do that. This polish was definitely very easy for me to apply. I did find that I would have liked a brush that had a bit more of a curved end to it just to make the cuticle area a little bit easier, but in the end it did work out fine. Also, I did find that this gel polish is indeed very thick, and I did notice this because usually I like to take my time when applying gel polish. So sometimes I'll be starting out on the pinky and then moving into the other nails and look back and see that some of it has spilled out into the cuticle area, and that kind of annoys me. So I got into a habit of just doing a quick flash cure in between each just to keep the polish from running into the other nails. And I'm not really a fast polisher. I like to take my time. So this might not happen to everyone, but with this polish I decided to give it a try without flash curing it, and it was indeed very thick and held exactly where I put it. When I look back to the first nail, there is no spilling anywhere around. So I'm very pleased about that. Also, I did on the first coat make sure to apply the polish on the tip and sides of the nail, sometimes known as capping the free edge. And if you did that well enough in the first coat, you don't have to do it in the second one, but I like to do it just to make sure. Alrighty, so once that second coat is cured, I'm now going to go into top coat. This will just add a nice glossy shine to these. I think this color would also look really pretty matte, but I'm just going to do them glossy for now. And I'm going to go cure these as well with a 30-second cure. I'm then going to finish off with some cuticle oil. And I do want to mention, I really like this gel top coat. It's super glossy and it feels super smooth right after the cure. But alright you guys, this is the finished manicure. I really like this color. It is so toned down and I really like it. Well, unfortunately today I kind of ran out of time to test out this other kit of the chrome powder. So I'm going to have to review this one in my next video or one after that. So my final thoughts on this kit are, it's an absolutely great way to do an at-home manicure on yourself. Gel nails are a great choice for doing at-home manicures. They're very durable, will last much longer, and also they cure instantly with the help of a lamp. This kit includes everything you need, as well as 6 gorgeous colors that you will easily find a favorite from. So I do have a little coupon code for you guys, the Polish Queen 10, to save 10% off of your order from anything from Drizzle Nails. I will have that linked below. I also have below the link to their online store if you can check out if you're interested. So a big thank you to all of you for watching. I really appreciate it. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you're not already for videos every Wednesday and sometimes on Saturday. So until next time guys, have a magical day.